Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with power and compatibility. Make sure the K5 is in ACC or on so the pad receives power, and confirm your phone supports Ki. Once done, remove any metal cards or cases thicker than 3 mm because they block the coil and generate heat. Also inspect the pad. Clear out coins, keys, or debris and wipe it dry. These first actions prevent slow charge, interference, or error alerts, so do them now before you place the phone down. Now place the phone on the pad and align it carefully. Use the camera notch or phone logo as a guide so the phone's coil overlaps the pad coil. Once centered, look for the LED or infotainment charging icon. It will flash and then stay solid when the phone accepts power. If you move the phone, charging can drop to slow charge or stop, so secure it in a holder if you drive. Make sure Bluetooth or screen prompts aren't requesting permission for charging. Finish by ensuring the phone is secure and won't slide. Confirm the battery percentage rises within 2-3 minutes so you know charging is steady. If charging stops or is intermittent, remove the case and reseat the phone, then cycle the ACC or restart the phone to clear a negotiation fault. Also check the pad for foreign objects under the phone. If problems persist, inspect the accessory power fuse or visit a dealer. Those steps fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.